How to fix ChatGPT Search not working? Simply follow these step-by-step methods to troubleshoot this issue. First of all, open your browser and go to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. Now wait for the interface to load. Now simply tap on the horizontal bars at the top left menu and tap on your profile and simply tap on personalization. Now here, scroll down to the very end and you'll find advanced section. Simply tap on advanced. Now sometimes search capabilities get toggled off in the interface, so we need to make sure that our web search is turned on so that ChatGPT automatically searches the web for answers. So make sure that your web search is toggled on. Now simply open a new chat to see if the effects are saved or not and type in searching. And hit search, and this may work. Now another method is simply close all the application from your menu and tap on close all, or you can individually swipe all of them. So tap on close all to remove all of your recent. Sometimes corrupted data can interfere with ChatGPT's interface features, so we need to remove the cache and cookies of your Chrome. Hold on to the app for some time and tap on the app info icon with the eye symbol. Now simply scroll down to the storage section and at the end you'll find clear cache and collect data. Simply tap on clear cache and after that head back and tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now simply remove the application from your recents. Tap on close all. And now for the final part, if it is not being open on your tab, simply try opening on the new incognito mode and type in ChatGPT and try opening and hit search. And in this way you can fix the ChatGPT search engine working problem. Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.